Hello everybody, this question here is a GCSE question and it's based on the equation of a line. So the question, as you can see, is asking us find the equation of a line that passes through C and is perpendicular to AB. So we have a triangle ABC with and we have to do, let us do a line, and if we call this line CD, so we have to find the equation of this line. So CD is passing through the point C. We have one of the coordinates. So what we need to find the equation of the line is y is mx plus c. So where c is the y-intercept and m is the slope. So we have to first, to find the equation of the line, there's one thing we know. Since AB and CD are perpendicular to one another, and we know that the slope of perpendicular lines, if the slope of AB is m, then the slope of CD should be minus 1 out of 1 upon m. So it's the inverse with the opposite sign. So that is what we should have. So if we try and find the first job is here to find the slope of AB. So what is the slope of AB? We know the formula of slope is y2 minus y1 out of x2 minus x1. So if we apply that here, we should get, this is 4. So B is, you can say, point B is 4, is 0 and 4, and point A is minus 2, 0. So your y2 minus y1 should be 0, 4, y2 is y2, this is y2, this is x2, y2, and if this is x1, y1, so it should be 4 minus 0 on 0 minus minus 2, that's 4 out of 2 is 2. So that is the slope of the line. So the slope of CD should be equal to minus 1 by 2. So that's minus half is the slope of CD. So if the equation of the line should look like y equal to minus half x plus c, so we have to find the y-intercept. So we know that it passes through 5 minus 1. So if we substitute those values of x, so if we put y as minus 1 equal to minus half times 5 plus c, we should get minus 1 plus 5 is equal c, and that will give us 3. So it's minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3 out of 2. So that is your y-intercept. So the equation of the line should look like y equals minus half x plus 3 by 2, or 2y equal to minus x plus 3. So that is your answer, and that is the y-intercept. Now I've done this in a better way. I've typed it all out nicely, and this is what it looks like. So if you just ignore on my my handwriting, so what we're doing is the same thing. So I've written the line AB, the equation should be y equal to mx plus c, and well, I wrote the step here, it's not needed, so we don't have to do that, but we have to find the slope m. So we find the slope, we can start from there, and the slope of the perpendicular line is minus half. Okay, so this part is important here. Then I have just told you why they are like that. So they are negative reciprocals of each other. Okay, so assume the line perpendicular AB and CD. So we've done that. CD is passing through 5 minus 1. So equation is minus half x plus c. Using x is 5 and y is minus 1 to find the value of c, and I get that 3 by 2 is C. So you put it in the equation. That's my equation of a line. Or if you take 2 up, you get this as the equation of the line, or that is my answer. Okay, so that completes this question. Hope it was helpful. If any comments, please to put them down. Thank you for your time. Bye.